What's up guys? For you who wants to learn how to use Google Ads to plan and to look for your keywords for your ads, today I'm going to show you how to do it step for step.
Join Free Fridays to learn fast.
So we're going to start with our tools and keyword planner. Now for you who already followed my previous videos, I am right now making a campaign for a welding company called Inox Weld, and last video we already make our ads, our campaign, our ads group. Now we want to put some keywords in our ads. Now how are you going to do this? First of all, there is a simple way and easy way to do this. Let's say you want to promote your Google Ads, or the Google Ads that we made before. It's about our service page and our industrial piping. Now you go to Perplexity, it's an AI, and then you type in give me keywords for Google Ads about this page, and then you copy the link of this page, and let's see what they give us. So they give us a lot of keywords, but we're not going to use them all because we want to see which keywords are actually performing, right? Now for now we are going to copy all these keywords that we get, and we're going to put it here on discover new keywords. You can use this to discover new keywords, or you can also use this to get search volume and ad forecasts, because we already have our keywords that we get from Perplexity. I'm going to put them all here and see these keywords. Right now, if we filter on average monthly searches, we get something like this: industrial welding services, stainless steel fabrication, custom stainless steel fabrication, and industrial pipe welding, right? But this is all still not specific enough. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a couple of this, like this. Let me, if I can copy this, and we go to the keywords, discover new keywords. We also can put our website here, and let's see. Right, so we're going to filter based on monthly searches, and this is the keyword that I provided. It's only 10 to 100 monthly searches, but we also get welding services for 100 to 1K. Now I'm going to take this, but this is very broad keywords. Like I want to specifically target people that is looking for industrial piping. So industrial welding I'm going to take, even though it has small monthly searches. Let's see another welding and steel fabrication near me. Let's see if we can give industrial piping. Let's get the result. Piping metal, 100 to 1K monthly searches. Industrial piping, I'm going to take stainless steel welding near me, pipe welding companies near me, fabrication welders. Let's take 3 more. Piping industrial, welding stainless steel pipe with stick, or industrial pipe welding. Now I'm going to add these keywords into my ads, right? So we can use this plan either to an existing campaign, or we can add the new group. Also here I want to use a phrase match instead of existing campaign, and then here you can look for your campaign. I think already okay. Now you can plan new campaign or existing campaign, right? New ad group, Inox services, and fresh match, and then you can add this to new plan, and there you go. Now you have keywords that has pretty good monthly searches, and now you know how to use the keyword plan, right? So thank you for watching, and see you guys next time. Bye bye.
Fridays too.